We give them a little sound test.
Anybody that says that you can't do an engine swap in 5 days with a hole. Hi guys, welcome back. We're here. Me and Alex are here. It's like what, 9 o'clock at night?
Something like that, probably.
It's like 9 o'clock at night. We're gonna tell you guys what we're doing, and we're gonna make a video with it. Well, a video of us doing something. So, one of Alex's work buddies brought in this Cutlass. What year is this? Do you know?
79.
It's a 79 Cutlass with a small block in it that is knocking. No good.
Old bad bearing noises.
Luckily for this guy, he has this GMC right here with a big block in it that runs. So we're gonna do the whole little swaparoo and put big block in Cutlass.
We give them a little sound test before this next time it runs is in the car.
Sure we can. I'm down.
We all love big noises.
We all like V8, big V8 noises. Why not? But yeah, anyway, big block out, big block in.
Honestly, one of the cleanest. 79.
And this is the point where, like, I wish we could just do the whole and motor swap done.
Yeah, we more or less just did the easy part. We're not done with the easy part because we still got to pull that motor out.
Yeah, but we did come in. What was that? Sunday?
So we pulled this. This was Monday night.
Or yeah, Monday night. It took us like 2 hours to get this out. You know, carbureted V8, very simple. Also, a carbureted V8 shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, hopefully everything goes smooth and everything fits right, and we don't have to do any modifications to make it fit in there. But we're gonna film it because why not? We're gonna test Alex's and mine planning and skill on doing an old switcheroo.
That one's gonna be the first one done though. We gotta get that one done first.
Yeah, we'll get this done, and we're not gonna tell you the other part. We're gonna keep that a secret until the Cutlass is done. Yeah, just know there's other plans.
Got lots of plans.
Lots of plans. It's shaping up to be a good summer, boys. Let's give them the V8 sound. Also, if my voice sounds weird, it's I'm sick. But you know, even if you're sick, no days off. Alex has got to find the key though. It's a little rough on. It runs a little rough, but it's not knocking, so that's a plus. Oh. It runs.
We're gonna pretend like I turned that off.
Yeah, we'll pretend that it didn't die on us. But yeah, anyway.
That gas does sound pretty quick.
Oh yeah, it is leaking a lot of water.
Oh yeah. This thing might get in with us, so it might get in with us.
Yeah. There's a couple of things that this motor needs, but it is a running, driving 454. So, yeah, we're gonna take you guys along with us. This is just like an intro video. Do you want to start tearing this apart, or you want to wait?
I might tear front end apart tonight. That might not be a bad place to start.
We'll do a tear down of the front end video, and then we'll do yeah. All right.
Full motor tomorrow.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yep.
What time are you gonna start?
Tomorrow. Yeah. Great, you get off late.
I might just not go to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
Time you off?
I can be off at 4:30.
All right. Penny or Jim, if you're watching this, you didn't hear that. So yeah, I think we're gonna get started on.
Might even take the hood off.
We're gonna have to take the hood off. Might as well do that first. We're gonna get started on taking this whole front end apart. I might just throw you guys on a time lapse and yeah, we'll start with a time lapse so I can help them out. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put these. Oh wait, I thought ahead. It's already here.
Oh,
Nice. All right. Time lapse of the teardown starts now. Alex, we did it.
We did it.
That took us way longer than I thought it was going to. So for you guys, that was probably like 2 minutes, if that. For us, it was like 2.5 hours. Nothing on this truck. Yeah, almost 3 hours. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, like 2 hours. In front of the truck's tore down though. So now we can start working on getting the motor pulled tomorrow. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna call this a video. What do you think?
Yep.
Good job.
Tired.
That was terrible.
Tired, dude.
We did it. Truck tore down. Next video, you guys will see us pulling the motor. I'll film this one, even though we didn't film this one. But that's gonna be it for the night. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Alex, any wise words? It's time to go home.
Yep.
Alex is tired.
Bedtime.
Alright. See you guys in the next one.